Hi, welcome to Madcom. In this particular video, we will be discussing one question from the chapter Integration in NCERT Class Plus 2 Mathematics textbook. The question is integral x cos inverse x dx. How can we solve this? So integral of x cos inverse x dx. That means in this particular integration, there are two functions, that is x as well as cos inverse x. So one is an algebraic function, another one is an inverse function. In those cases, we follow a rule that is called the I-late rule. What is I-late rule? Inverse, logarithmic, algebraic, trigonometric, exponential. According to this, inverse is having more priority than algebraic. So the inverse function should be considered as the first function. So this can be written as cos inverse x into x dx. If we are doing the integration of two functions, that is integral of f of x into g of x dx, whereas f of x and g of x are two different functions, means the integration will be the first function into the integral of second function minus integral of derivative of first function into integral of second function into dx. Done. So this can be written as first function, that is the cos inverse x into integral of second function minus integral of derivative of first function into integral of second function. So this is equal to cos inverse x into integral of x is equal to x raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here n is equal to 1, so you will get x square upon 2 minus integral of derivative of cos inverse x. Derivative of cos inverse x is minus 1 by square root of 1 minus x square into integral of x is equal to x square divided by 2 dx. So this can be written as x square divided by 2 cos inverse x minus integral of minus x square upon square root of 1 minus x square. There is a 1 by 2 is there. That 1 by 2 can be taken outside into dx. So we got one part. The one part is missing. We can just assume this part as I1. So what we can write? I1 is equal to integral of minus x square upon square root of 1 minus x square dx. Minus x square upon square root of 1 minus x square dx. In that particular case, if you want to integrate, here in the denominator, since it is 1 minus x square, in numerator we have minus x square, we can add and subtract 1 to it. So what will you get? You will get 1 minus x square minus 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square dx is equal to integral of, we can separate the numerator, that is 1 minus x square divided by 1 square root of 1 minus x square dx minus integral of 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square dx. Here 1 minus x square is the square of square root of 1 minus x square. So root to root cancel. So what will you get? So you will be getting integral of square root of 1 minus x square dx minus integral of 1 by square root of 1 minus x square dx. Done. So in this particular case, integral of 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Integral of 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. That is a standard form, that is in the form of integral of 1 by square root of a square minus x square. This is equal to sine inverse x by a. So if you substitute here, you will get integral of square root of 1 minus x square dx minus sine inverse x by a. Here in the place of a we have 1, so it will be equal to sine inverse x. Then what is pending? The pending with this particular value, we can assume it as I2. So what is I2? I2 is equal to integral of square root of 1 minus x square dx. In order to solve this, we can solve it by doing substitution. How? If you put x is equal to cos theta, that is theta is equal to cos inverse x. If you find out dx equal to minus sine theta d theta. So this can be replaced as integral of square root of 1 minus cos square theta. What is dx? Dx equal to minus sin theta d theta. That is equal to integral of 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. When you take square root, it will become sin theta into minus sin theta into d theta. That is equal to integral of minus can be taken outside. It will become sin square theta d theta. Sin square theta d theta. So, what is sin square theta? Sin square theta can be written in terms of cos 2 theta. That is sin square theta or 2 sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. Or sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2. So, this can be replaced as minus of integral 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2. 2 can be taken outside and 1 by 2 minus 1 can be taken inside. So you will be get 1 by 2 into integral of cos 2 theta minus 1 d theta. Cos 2 theta minus 1 d theta. So you can separate it up. It will become 1 by 2 into integral of cos 2 theta d theta minus d theta. That is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into integral of cos 2 theta is integral cos 2x is sin 2x by 2. So cos 2 theta will become sin 2 theta divided by 2 minus theta. Sin 2 theta divided by 2 minus theta. So what we got? We got is 1 by 2 into sin 2 theta divided by 2 minus theta. That is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 sin theta cos theta divided by 2 minus theta. 2 and 2 will get cancelled out. So that will be equal to 1 by 2 into. What is sin theta? Sorry, what is cos theta? Cos theta equal to x. Cos theta equal to x into sin theta equal to sin of theta is cos inverse x. Sin of cos inverse x minus theta equal to cos inverse x. Theta equal to cos inverse x. If you open up the bracket, you will get x by 2 into sin of cos inverse x. Sin of cos inverse x. Sin of cos inverse x is equal to square root of 1 minus x square. How we are getting this particular value, I will explain you in the last. So that this will be equal to x by 2 into x by 2 into sin of cos inverse x equal to square root of 1 minus x square minus cos inverse x divided by 2 minus cos inverse x divided by 2. Okay, this is the case. This is what we calculated I2. So, if you want to calculate integral of cos inverse x dx, sorry, x cos inverse x dx equal to what we have? The first we have x square by 2 cos inverse x. We have x square divided by 2 cos inverse x. Then we have minus 1 by 2 this I1. So we can put minus 1 by 2 into I1. So what is I1? I1 we have I2 minus sin inverse x. So we can introduce sin inverse x. We can introduce sin inverse x. Is it positive or negative? That is negative. So it will become minus sin inverse x. Then we have positive I2. What is the value of I2? I2 is equal to x by 2 into square root of 1 minus x square minus cos inverse x by 2. So x by 2 into square root of 1 minus x square plus x by 2 into square root of 1 minus x square minus cos inverse x by 2. When you open up the bracket, you will get x square divided by 2 cos inverse x plus 1 by 2 sin inverse x plus x by 2. So this 1 by 2 should be taken outside. That is minus 1 by 2 is taken outside. When minus 1 by 2 is taken outside, it will become minus x by 4 square root of 1 minus x square. Square root of 1 minus x square minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. That will become plus 1 by 4 cos inverse x plus c. So the cos inverse, what is 1 by 2 sine inverse x? There is a connection between sine inverse x and cos inverse x. What is that? Sine inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. That is, sine inverse x can be written as pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. Pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. So it will become x square by 2 cos inverse x square by 2 cos inverse x plus 1 by 4 cos inverse x plus 1 by 2 into pi by 2 minus pi by 2 minus cos inverse x minus x by 4 into square root of 1 minus x square plus c. So that is equal to x square by 2 cos inverse x plus 1 by 4 cos inverse x plus pi by 4 minus cos inverse x divided by 2 minus x by 4 into square root of 1 minus x square plus c. Here this pi by 4 is a constant, so this constant can be added to the constant itself. Then cos inverse x can be taken outside, so cos inverse x into x square by 2 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 minus x by 4 into square root of 1 minus x square plus constant of integration. 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2, it will become minus 1 by 4. So what will you get? You will get cos inverse x into x square by 2 minus 1 by 4 minus x by 4 into square root of 1 minus x square plus c. 1 minus x square plus c. So what we have? This equal to, we have cos inverse x into x square divided by 2 minus 1 by 4 minus x by 4 into square root of 1 minus x square plus c. So here it can be written as 2x square multiplying with the, because the LCM become 4, multiplying with the 2 on numerator and denominator, it will become 2x square by 4. So you can write it as cos inverse x. Now this denominator is same, it will become 2x square minus 1 upon 4 minus x by 4 into square root of 1 minus x square plus c. So this is the answer for integral of x cos inverse x dx. Integral of x cos inverse x dx. Hope explanation is clear. If you need any clarification, do let us know in the comment section. As a token of gratitude, please like to this particular video. Express your feedback in the comment section. So here one particular thing is pending. That is, what is sine of cos inverse x? What is sine of cos inverse x? So how can you find out its particular value? So how can we do it now? We can just assume that let x is equal to cos theta. Let x equal to cos theta. According to trigonometric principle, if you consider a right angular triangle, if angle is theta, if this particular angle is theta, mean cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. So the adjacent side will become x, hypotenuse will become 1, because x is nothing but x by 1. So the length of the adjacent side will become x, length of the hypotenuse will become equal to 1. So if it is the case, according to Pythagoras theorem, base square plus altitude square equal to hypotenuse square. Therefore, altitude can be calculated as square root of hypotenuse square minus base square. So what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse equal to 1 square minus x square. So this will be equal to square root of 1 minus x square. Correct? Square root of 1 minus x square. Done. Square root of 1 minus x square, that we can calculate. Fine. So if it is the case, what is theta? Theta equal to cos inverse x. So sine of cos inverse x can be written as sine theta equal to sine. What is sine theta? Opposite side by hypotenuse. What is opposite? Square root of 1 minus x square upon 1. That is equal to square root of 1 minus x square. That is way in which we got sine of cos inverse x equal to square root of 1 minus x square. Also we use one more formula, that is integral of 1 by square root of a square minus x square That is a standard condition that we can solve it up. It value equal to sine inverse x by a plus c. Clear? Hope the video is useful. If you need any clarification or the feedback about the class, that can be commented. Please subscribe to our channel. Keep watching, keep learning. Thanks for watching. Bye.